Hey everybody, John Enloe, Technical Support Manager here at Aimpoint. I'm going to give you a little FAQ on the Micro Series blinking dot. One of the calls and emails that we get here pretty frequently is that the dot on my Micro Series sight is blinking. Well, about 90% of the time we can actually trace this back to a battery cap not being sufficiently tightened. So real quickly, I just want to run you through how I install a battery in a Micro Series sight. When installing the battery in your Micro Series sight, place the battery into the compartment and press down until it clicks into position. Turn the switch to position 12, the max bright position. The switch will stop at position 12. Screw your cap on, finger tight. Then using the red Aimpoint tool, secure the cap till it seats. Once you've seated the cap, put a little torque on it until you can see the plastic of the tool start to flex. This will ensure you've seated the cap properly. You can also inspect the cap by making sure you can't get your fingernail in between the cap and the serrations on the switch. This should fix the problem of a blinking dot on your Micro Series sight. But if you're experiencing this problem or any other problems with any other Aimpoint products, please feel free to give us a call or reach out to us on the website aimpoint.us, warranty service. Thanks for watching.